In today's business environment, structure is the foundation of growth. When operations lack control, delays, errors, and inefficiencies become inevitable. Most companies do not struggle because of a lack of demand. They struggle because their internal operations are disorganized. Disconnected systems, manual workflows, scattered data, and lack of visibility create daily losses in time, resources, and revenue. Leadership teams are forced to spend their time managing inaccurate reporting, slow processes, unstructured departments, and recurring operational bottlenecks. Without the right system in place, teams work harder, but the business does not move faster. Businesses deserve better systems, better visibility, better automation, better control, better performance. Todoo brings structure, automation, and operational clarity into growing businesses through fully integrated Odoo ERP solutions. We help companies transform disconnected workflows into one unified ecosystem where every department operates inside a single intelligent business platform. With hands-on expertise across sales, inventory, accounting, CRM, HR, manufacturing, project management, marketing, and more, our team delivers ERP solutions built around real operational needs. The result is streamlined operations, accelerated workflows, complete transparency, and infrastructure built for scale. Todoo is powered by experienced, technology-driven professionals who understand both business and systems. We do more than implement ERP. We build operational frameworks that drive long-term growth. When operations are under control, business becomes scalable, teams become more productive, leadership gains clarity. Take your business to the next level with Todoo.